Are you tired of the daily grind? Looking for a fresh perspective on how AI can transform your life? Today, we're diving into 5 AI hacks that will redefine your productivity, ignite your creativity, and leave you wondering why you didn't try them sooner. Stay tuned. First up is skill acquisition. Ever wanted to learn a new skill, a new language, or maybe you just want to learn how the stock market works? AI powered platforms like ChatGPT actually make this super easy. They adapt to your learning pace, your style, and they can offer personalized content that makes learning super effective. For my demonstration here, I'm going to do ChatGPT give me a 12-week plan to learn Spanish. All right, as you can see, ChatGPT has given me a 12-week plan for learning Spanish, and it looks like it's starting with basic phrases. Let's go ahead and say start first lesson. And it'll actually teach us the entire first lesson, and it can basically do this throughout the entire thing. All right, so now it's given us the actual first lesson. It's given us some greetings, some introductions, basic politeness, responses, saying goodbye, and then it gives us some practice exercises as well. Let's look at another one. Teach me how to do formulas in Excel. All right, easy enough. And now let's break that down a little bit further. So I'm just going to say I need to add B5 through B12 together. And it's going to give me the formula for exactly how to do that. Let's try one more just for fun. Teach me how to make homemade biscuits. Give me a direction list and a full instruction list as well. Next up is brainstorming, which honestly probably should have been my number one. ChatGPT is like the perfect sparring partner for brainstorming. You give it something, it gives you something back. So whenever I have an idea or even part of an idea, I can toss it into ChatGPT and sort of help me flesh it out into something actually useful, into a full-fledged idea. All right, for brainstorming, let's do thinking about making a Roblox game that is capture the flag, but with portal guns. Help me work out the details and gameplay loop. All right, awesome. So ChatGPT has worked out sort of the gameplay loop and all of the additional details. Can you provide step-by-step instructions on getting started studio? And as you can see here, it's even given us instructions for how to set up a Roblox account, download and set up Roblox Studio, how to build a new project, sort of all the details we need to get started on this project that started out as a simple brainstorming idea. Here's another one. I'm throwing an ugly Christmas sweater party. Need fun ideas for guests. All right, here we go. Contest, do-it-yourself station, photo booth. There's actually some really good ideas. We might have to actually incorporate some of these. Christmas karaoke, ugly sweater cookie decorating. These are pretty good. Ugly sweater trivia. Yeah, these are actually fun. Third up, custom workouts. Everyone's sort of got their own unique fitness goals, and using AI to help build custom tailored workouts definitely beats hiring a trainer. You get something that's custom made for exactly what you're looking for, that fits into your schedule, into whatever equipment you may or may not have. ChatGPT helps with all of that. Let's do I hate cardio. What else can I do to burn fat and keep my heart healthy? Looks like it gave us 11 different examples here of different things we can do, from strength training, swimming, dancing, martial arts, sports, hiking, yoga, a lot of different things to keep us from doing cardio, which we love to hate. Let's try another. Let's say create a 7-day workout plan that targets different muscle groups each day. Here we go. Day 1 is chest and triceps. Day 2, back and biceps. Leg day is day 3. Day 4 is rest or active recovery. Day 5 is shoulder and abs. Day 6 is cardio and core. Day 7 is full body and flexibility. Let's try another example. Design a gym equipment free full body workout plan that I can do at home or the office. And just like that, we've got a full body workout that we can do without any additional equipment, without a gym. We can do this at home or the office. For the fourth one, I have motivator, but honestly, it should be the discipline reminder. Motivation is temporary, but as Jocko says, discipline equals freedom. You can use AI to remind you to get after it in the style of Jocko or Yoda. Some motivational fun. Let's do, give me a motivational speech in the style of Jocko, help me get through this workday. All right, so this is in the style of Jocko. All right, listen up. It's time to rise up and conquer your workday like a true warrior. I don't care if you're tired, stressed, or feeling overwhelmed, because today you got a mission to accomplish. And remember, in the world of Jocko, there are no excuses, only results. Try again, but as Yoda. Workday it is. Listen closely you must, for guidance I shall give. I don't know how accurate that is to Yoda, but I'll take it. Lastly, the business idea generator. Have you ever thought about getting into the business of businesses? Well, AI can help with that too. Let's do generate 25 business ideas that I can do with no startup cost. It's actually giving us a pretty good list here. Freelancing, social media management, like pet sitting, lawn care, eBay and Amazon reselling, ebook publishing, affiliate marketing. So yeah, pretty decent looking list. Let's keep on. Let's see. Teach me about LLCs. All right, so there's some good information about LLCs. We've got 25 different business ideas. Let's try one other thing. Say, create a marketing plan to help me grow my lawn care business. All right, and it looks like it's giving us a full list of different things we can do here to help us sort of grow our existing business if we have one. So there you have it, 5 AI hacks that can transform your everyday life. Which one are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on how AI is changing the world around us.